How to enter prepayment or overpayment on a bank account. Go into Accounting and click on your bank accounts. Now we select the bank account we want to enter prepayment or overpayment for. Select Manage Account, and under section New, select either Spend Money or Receive Money. Transfer Money is for transfer between accounts. Now to spend money, we can select direct payment or our prepayment or overpayment. For overpayment, select the supplier, date of overpayment, reference, description, and if you have a region, you can select the region required. You can now see the transaction has been entered. Let's go ahead and go to Manage Account and Receive Money. Similar, you can select here prepayment or overpayment. On overpayment, let's select a customer. Select the reference overpayment, description, and overpayment amount. If you have a region that relates to the sale, you can select the region, and once you completed the form, click Save. This is how you enter prepayment and overpayment directly on Xero. Once the transaction appears on the bank account through Reconciliation tab, simply select it and click OK to finish the reconciliation process. Both transactions we just entered will appear under Account Transactions as non-reconciled transactions. As you can see, the overpayment for the basket case unreconciled, and the same for ABS furniture. I hope you find this useful. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and I see you in my courses.